How to change the battery on a BMW key fob. First of all, push this button here to release the key. Pulls out. And you can see here, these little two tabs here. Quite small. Right there. Right there. What we're going to do is push against them like this. Lift it up, you can see how it lifts up like that. You push that one up and that one up together. It pops off. See your battery inside? CR2450. Gently pries out. It's quite a thick coin bop battery. So get your new battery, positive side upwards, push in, back in, click in, key in, and you're done.